Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the Windows hotspot. So suppose your system is connected with the LAN. As you can see, my PC is right now connected with the LAN. So I don't have any Wi-Fi over here and I don't know about the password of all of the neighbor Wi-Fi. So how you can use your PC's LAN like internet connection to your phone by hotspot. So first of all we have to go to the setting, then search over here hotspot. It will open this particular panel over here. You can just go to their mobile hotspot, then you have the access to change the name over here. So let's change it to pin 2 and the password will be 12345609. Okay, for safe side. So done, this is done. I'm going to turn on the hotspot and it's done. Now what I'm going to do, as you can see, it's saying device connected over here. It's 0. I can connect up to 8 devices. It's saying 0. Now I will try to connect my mobile. Let me just connect that. Okay, so the password is 12345609 and you can see it's saying one device connected. It's giving me the device name. I'm using the Samsung S20 FE, so yeah, it's giving me the name, the IP address over here. Okay, and the MAC address. This is not the physical MAC address. I used one application to randomize my MAC address for the better security. So yeah, this is that. So you can use this function to use your LAN internet to your hotspot if you don't have any Wi-Fi at your place. So yeah, this is the great option that Windows included. Thank you.